sixth. Yes. Exercise 7.1. Question number 8. Find the value of y4 with the distance between the point P 2, -3 and Q 10, y is 10 units. 2 points are given. That is your P 2, -3 and Q 10, y. The distance is your 10 units. Distance between 2 points is 10 units. Distance PQ. Distance PQ. Distance PQ. Use distance formula. That is x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 10 minus 2 plus y minus 3. 10 minus 2, 8 square plus minus plus y plus 3 whole square. Y plus 3 whole square. 8 square 64 plus y plus 3 whole square. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square.
Y square plus 9.
A square plus b square plus 2 a b. 64, that is y square plus 9 plus 6y.
6y.
Yes. Y square plus 6y plus 73. It is your distance PQ. Distance PQ. Distance PQ. And distance PQ given is 10 units. Distance PQ given. Distance PQ, that is 10 units given. अब यहाँ पे देखिए हमारे पास y square plus 6y plus 73 equal to 10. क्योंकि distance PQ 10 is given and distance PQ we have to find out by using distance formula is square root y square plus 6y plus 73. Both are equals. Both are equals. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No problems?
No, sir.
Okay. Now scaling on both sides we get. Scaling on both sides we get. Scaling on both sides we get.
Sir, here we are doing squaring because we are removing root.
Both sides we get. Yes. Y square plus 6y plus 73
Y square plus
value y square
रूट हम
plus
जाएगा
6y plus 73 is equal to 100. Is equal to 100. Now y square plus 6y plus 73 minus 100 is equal to 0. It becomes y square plus 6y minus 27 equal to 0. Now we will factorize it by using split the middle term method. Do it fast. Yes, do it fast. Do it fast.
Yes, sir.
Now y square plus 6y minus 27 equal to 0. 9 3 are 27. 9 3 are 27. Y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 equal to 0. What is common in first two terms? What is common in last two terms?
Y is common in first.
Y plus 9. What is common in last two terms? Y plus 9 equal to 0. Y plus 9. Y minus 3.
Y plus 9 and y minus 3 equals to 0 and y is equal to minus 9, y is equal to plus 3.
Yes. Y plus 9 equal to 0 and y minus 3 equal to 0. Now y becomes minus 9 and y becomes plus 3. So the value of y will be y minus 9 and 3. Check your answer, please. Question number 9. Question number 9. If Q01 is equidistant from P5, minus 3 and R x6, find the value of x. Also find the distance QR and PR. You have already do such type of question in the previous classes. And question number, that is Q. Q is 0 and 1. It is a point which is equidistant. That is of P 5, minus 3. And that is of Q. Q is x and 6. X and 6. Yes. Yes. Which is doubt?
And I'm saying that point constant so you that is why we told that
Q is 0, 1. 0, 1.
No,
Yes. What is the problem? What is the problem? What is the problem? Any problem? Yes, Shreya Patel, what is the problem?
there's no problem, but I'm saying that you have taken a point
that is QPR. Now read. Now is correct. Now PQ is equal to
Yes,
QR. PQ is equal to QR is given. Now your x coordinate is missing. Here is x coordinate is missing. First of all, we will find out the value of x, and after that we will find the distance QR and PR. QR and PR. QR and PR. Here PQ is equal to, here QP is equal to QR. Now distance QP is, distance QP is distance QP x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is your 5 minus 0 minus 3 minus 1. 5 minus 0 plus minus 3 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1.
minus 1.
QP.
Only minus 1.
Sir, one there is positive.
Yes, sir.
Only one.
Sir,
Plus
1 is
one.
positive there.
Okay, okay. Plus
Sir,
one.
minus 3 minus 1.
Okay, okay. Minus 3 minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Now it becomes 5 minus 0, 5 square, that is 25, and minus 3 minus 1, minus 4 square, that is 16. It means QP is root 41. Any doubt, any problem?
Sir, root 41.
No, sir.
Now QR, distance QR is, distance QR, that is x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is x2? X minus 0, 6 minus 1. X minus 0, 6 minus 1, x square plus 5 square 25. Now distance QP is equal to distance QR. Distance QP is equal to distance QR. Why?
Because the point was in not.
Given it means QP जो है QR, QP is equal to QR. Squaring on both sides, QP square is equal to QR square. What is your QP square? That is 41. 41 is equal to x square plus 25.
Sir, I want to ask you something.
Yes. Yes. What do you want to ask? 5 को बाहर कैसे लिखेंगे? 5 को बाहर तब आएगा ना जब ये क्या है, जैसे 1 सेकेंड, जैसे आपके पास अगर ये होता है यहाँ पे 25x स्क्वायर होता है ऐसे, अगर 25x स्क्वायर होता है तो 25 का स्क्वायर रूट 5 होता है, x स्क्वायर का क्या होता है x होता है। अब ये वाला, अब यहाँ पे लिखा है 25 प्लस x स्क्वायर, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे इसके ऊपर यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या है, स्क्वायर रूट लगा हुआ है, क्या लगा हुआ? स्क्वायर रूट लगा हुआ है। तो ये कंडीशन अलग है। जैसे आप सोच रहे हो कि हाँ ये 5 आ जाएगा बाहर, तो 5 जब तक क्या है कंप्लीट में क्या है कॉमन नहीं आएगा। जैसे मान लो आप सब ये देखिए यहाँ पे भी 25x स्क्वायर होता और यहाँ पे भी 25 होता, तो हम क्या करते हैं 25 को कॉमन निकालते हैं, यहाँ पे उसको लिखते हैं x स्क्वायर प्लस 5, फिर यहाँ पे 25 का स्क्वायर रूट होता है 5 और ये फिर बाहर आता है x स्क्वायर प्लस 5
होगा।
हाँ सॉरी 1, फिर क्या है ये 5 बाहर आता है, ऐसे 5 बाहर नहीं आ सकता यहाँ पे। तो x स्क्वायर प्लस 25 है वो, तो बाहर तभी आ सकता है जब कंप्लीट में कॉमन, हाँ कंप्लीट में जब कॉमन होगा तभी बाहर आ सकता है, अदरवाइज नहीं आएगा। ओके
ओके सर।
ओके। Now what is the value of x? Please tell me.
4
Only 4.
plus minus 4
Plus minus 2.
plus minus 4.
Yes, there will be 2. There are two values.
Sir, because we are to use that because here we have that is square and square में अगर minus minus का plus आपका plus plus फिर आप बात बहुत इको कर रही है और बहुत सारा प्रोजेक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा
इको हो रही है आवाज?
बात कर रही है।
आवाज इको कर रही है क्या?
हाँ अभी भी कुछ इको हो रहा है, कल कुछ
Yes sir, अगर काफी
सर 2% ले लेंगे।
यार लेकिन अभी तो कम से कम बच्चों की आवाज़ हमारी आवाज़ बच्चों तक जा रही है, कल नहीं आ रही थी। सर एक का और एक शांति का सर ने कल एक आईडी बनाया था मेरी साइड में,
1 second.
वो लॉगिन नहीं कर पा रही है, उसको दिखा रहा है कि स्टिल नॉट जॉइन।
That is your plus minus 4. Is equal to x. The value of x is plus minus 4. मैम आपने आईडी ऑन कर रखी है क्या?
हाँ सर नहीं, मैंने लॉग आउट कर दिया।
अब आवाज इको हो रही है क्या?
Yes. No sir.
अभी को है?
No sir, yes sir. हो रही है।
अभी भी है?
ये सर भी हो रही है।
हो रही है।
चलो आप
अभी हो रही है सर।
Okay, okay. Listen. After this period, I will talk to your IT department. Okay? After 10 minutes, I will talk to.
सर आ रहे हैं अभी check।
Okay. Now, what is the value of x?
Plus minus.
There are two values of x. Have you done or not? Have you done?
Yes sir.
Distance QR. That is your x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 4 minus 0 plus 6 minus 1. 4 square, that is 5 square. Square of 4 is 16. 16 plus 25. That is your root 41. Root 41. Now distance QR. Distance QR. That is your Q. 0, 1. Now R has been changed. That is minus 4 and 6. Any doubt, any problems? Distance QR. Distance QR. That is your x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. What is your x2? Minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus 1. 2r. That is your minus 4 square 16 and 5 square 25. Same as root 2r is root 41. Root 41. Any doubt, any problems? Now we will find out the same PR and PR two times. PR, distance PR. Do it fast. Okay. Are you done? Okay. Now distance PR. That is your P. That is your P. What is P? P is 5
5 minus 3.
and PR. R is your 4 and 6. 4 and 6. That is PR, distance PR. Distance PR. That is your x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. Four minus 5 plus 6 minus 3. PR minus 1 square 6 plus 3. PR minus 1 square is plus 1 and 9 square is 81. PR is root 81, root 82. There is benefit of factorization. अगर हम फैक्टराइज करते हैं 9 root 2 root 82 PR. Yes. There is no benefit. There is no benefit of factorization because after factorization there are no like terms. Is it root 2 into 41? 2 into 41. There are no common factors. If there are no common factors, if there will be pair of common factors, so it will come out. So there are no common factors. No like terms. Like factors. Sorry, no like factors. Now next is your distance PR. Distance PR. That is your P. P is one second. P is mine, and then your R is minus 4 and 6. Yes. Any doubt, any problems? Distance PR. Distance PR. Distance PR. x2 minus x1 y2 minus y. r. x2 minus x1. What is x2? Minus 4
minus
minus 4 minus 2 minus 4 minus
6
5 whole
6 comma minus 3
6 plus
pr.
plus 3
Minus 4 minus 5
minus 9 plus
plus 6 plus 3 pr. That is 81 and 81. pr. 81 is common. 1 plus 1. Now square root of 81 is 9 root 2. Any doubt, any problems?
no sir.
Question number 10. Find a relation between x and y such that point this x and y is equidistant from the point. This is your point x y. It is your equidistant from point A. A is the point is your 3 6 and B is a point is your minus 3 and 4. What is your AP? AP. Distance AP. Distance AP.
it's very fast, we are unable to write it.
Note it. Note it. AP x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y. AP what is your x2? X minus 3
3
plus y minus 6 a minus b whole square a square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab 80. Your x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 36 minus 12y. Minus 12y. AP. It is your x square minus 6x square plus y square minus 6x minus 12y plus 45. Any doubt, any problems?
no sir.
No.
Now similarly your distance, you have to find out the distance BP. BP, distance BP. Distance BP, you have to find out similarly. That is your x plus 3, y minus 4. Y minus 4. Yes? Now it becomes x square plus 9 plus 6x. And it becomes y square plus 16 minus 8x. Am I right or wrong?
minus 8 y sir.
8y.
Sir, minus 8 5.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 25.
Plus 25.
Now AP is equal to BP. Given AP square is equal to BP square. What is your AP square? X square, y square minus 6x minus 6x minus 12y minus 6x minus 12y
Minus
plus
plus
45
1.
minus 12y plus 45. And your next one is x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 25. X square to x square cancel out. Y square to y square cancel out. Now it becomes minus 6x and minus 6x minus 6x minus 12y plus 8y plus 45 minus 20 minus 25 equal to 0. It becomes minus 12x minus 12x minus 4y plus 20 equal to 0. There is minus 4 common. It becomes 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. And your 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. ये आंसर आएगा. Check the answer please.
Yes, sir.